Hello everyone. This is Tapsi Grover of MBA GJNIMT. Hope you and your family are well at home. This unexpected vacation has given us a lot to learn. We now know the importance of freedom. But this is not a time to turn out to be lethargic. Rather, this is a time to stay energetic. For this, our director, Sir Professor Manjeet Singh Chhabra ji has been continuously mentoring us. Also, our principal sir Dr. Harpreet Singh ji has sent a video to their students so that they may stay energized and have an urge to learn something new. Various teachers at GGNIMT has been continuously sending their notes, their PDF files, videos and many other things to the students so that they may have a pace to learn. Also, various online discussions, various quizzes, various IQ tests have helped the students to stay positive in the tough times. They have been assisted by their teachers on various assignments and project works. All these efforts of teachers and staff has helped the students to keep a pace and a positive mind in these tough times. Hope we have a victory on COVID-19 sooner and meet at GJNIMT campus very soon. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Vanshika from Hotel Management Department in GGNIMT Ludhiana. Through this video message, I would like to say thank you to my teachers, my mentors, who are supporting during this lockdown period. They are taking extra care of our studies, providing us study material, conducting video lectures. Also, I really appreciate their concern towards our emotional health. I am proud to be in GGNIMT College. We look forward every day to learn new things from our teachers, from our mentors, from our parents, from our friends, as each and everyone has knowledge, and we should gain that. So, our teachers also taught us that we are not alone, we are together by means of any social media, and they are acting like a supportive hand and a helping hand to us in this situation. Thank you to everyone. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi everyone, I am Mitosh Bhardwaj from BCA 4th, GJNIMT. I want to take a moment to recognize and say thank you to all the wonderful teachers for helping us during this coronavirus outbreak. Thank you for mentoring and guiding us for academic and emotional support through various apps and platforms, for showing us that there are plenty of opportunities for us to learn something new even in this time of lockdown. Thank you for understanding that right now we feel scared, frustrated, anxious, and we need consistency and routines. I thank you all for the highly personal yet professional work you do, for the commitment you show to us every single day. A huge thanks to you. You are forever appreciated. Stay safe. Thank you.
In the hard times of novel coronavirus and the lockdown, I would like to thanks to all the teachers, faculty members and the professors of GGNIMT who have supported so that our education has not been affected. They also provide some notes and educational conceptual lectures on WhatsApp, and they also solved all our doubts through the WhatsApp group so that we can study better while stay at home. In the hard times of novel coronavirus and the lockdown, I would like to thanks to all the teachers, faculty, and the professors of GGNIMT who have supported so that our education has not been affected. They also provide some notes and conceptual lectures on the WhatsApp. They also solve our all doubts through the WhatsApp group so we can study better while staying at home.
Hey guys, this is Sana from GJNIMT and I am pursuing MCA here. Guys, जैसे हम सबको पता है कि हम सब इस वक्त घर पर हैं और एक महामारी कह लो कोविड-19 उससे जूझ रहे हैं, उसके अगेंस्ट लड़ रहे हैं और हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे कोरोना वॉरियर्स हैं, जैसे कि हमारे पुलिस ऑफिसर्स हैं, हमारे इंडिया के पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ है, मेडिकल स्टाफ है. मैं पर्सनली ऐसा समझती हूँ कि उनमें से एक है टीचर प्रोफेशन, जैसे कि हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर डॉक्टर हरप्रीत सिंह, हमारे डायरेक्टर सर प्रोफेसर मंजीत सिंह छाबड़ा और हमारे बाकी सारे फैकल्टी मेम्बर्स पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ इस सिचुएशन में रहने की. वो हमारे साथ खड़े हैं, कई सारे ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स के ज़रिए वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप्स चला रहे हैं और वो हमें हमारे सिलेबस रिलेटेड मटेरियल के साथ साथ हमारे इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स को भी और ज़्यादा एडवांस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और मैं तहे दिल से उनकी बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि वो हमारे साथ इस सिचुएशन में भी खड़े हुए। थैंक यू।
In the hard times of novel coronavirus and the lockdown, I would like to thank all the teachers and the faculty and all the professors of GJNIMT who have supported us so that our education is not affected in these hard times. They have provided us with adequate notes and conceptual lectures, videos online, and also solved oral doubts through the WhatsApp groups and help us to study better while we are at home